12,000-pound trailer axle repair kit for Dexter 12,000-pound axles. This kit comes complete with 2 hub and drums for Dexter 12k axles, for 12¼ by 5" brakes, either hydraulic or electric drum brakes. The bolt pattern on these hubs and drums are 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. It has the 4.75 hub on it, so you can use the 16" dual wheels or the 17.5" super singles or dual wheels. It also comes with 2 of the 12¼ by 5" electric brake assemblies, 1 driver side and 1 passenger side. It also comes with 2 of the inner bearings, which are 3984s, and 2 of the outer bearings, which are 28682s. It comes with 2 of the oil caps, the 21-36 oil caps. It comes with 2 of the 10-56 oil seals, and it also comes with 16 of the 5/8 swivel flange nuts. A lot of people like using these in place of the rings, so I like them better. Anyways, you can buy this kit online at trailerpartsunlimited.com.